Welcome back again to our channel, your go-to hub for mastering the world of finance and fintech, and empower you to make smarter money moves in the digital age. In this episode, let's dive into how to build your wealth, starting with $100. Building wealth doesn't require a large sum of money to get started. Even with just $100, you can begin laying the foundation for financial growth. The key is to make smart decisions about where to put that $100 and how to leverage it over time. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can build your wealth starting with $100. Step 1. Pay off high-interest debt. Before you start investing, if you have any high-interest debt, like credit card debt, it's crucial to pay it off first. The interest on these debts can quickly outpace the returns you would earn from most investments. Action items. Target high-interest debt. Use your $100 to pay off the balance on your credit card or other high-interest loans. Debt avalanche method. If you have multiple debts, focus on paying off the one with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on others. Step 2. Create an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is one of the most important steps in securing your financial future. If an unexpected expense arises, having an emergency fund will prevent you from having to take on more debt. Ideally, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, but you can start small. Action items. Start small. If you have no savings yet, use your $100 to start an emergency fund. Keep it in a high-yield savings account for easy access and higher interest. Set up automatic contributions. Once you've used your initial $100, set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month to grow your emergency fund consistently. Step 3. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Once you've tackled high-interest debt and set up a small emergency fund, the next step is investing. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are excellent options for beginners with a small budget because they provide diversification at a low cost. Action items. Open an investment account. Use a brokerage account to invest in index funds or ETFs. Many platforms, like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab, have no minimum investment requirements for index funds. Invest in a low-cost index fund. Consider investing in a broad market index fund or an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which provides exposure to 500 of the largest companies in the US. These funds have low fees and a proven track record of long-term growth. Dollar-cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest your $100 in equal parts over time, such as $20 each week. This strategy minimizes the impact of market volatility. Step 4. Consider fractional shares. If you'd like to invest in high-priced individual stocks, but don't have enough to purchase a full share, you can invest in fractional shares. Many online brokerage platforms now offer fractional shares, allowing you to buy a piece of high-value stocks like Amazon, Tesla, or Apple for as little as $1. Action items. Use fractional shares. With your $100, you could buy partial shares of individual stocks, spreading your $100 across different companies. Diversify. Invest in a few different stocks, or ETFs, to ensure you're not putting all your money into one asset, reducing your risk. Step 5. Use a Robo-advisor. A Robo-advisor is an automated investment service that uses algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio. Many Robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront, require little to no minimum deposit, making them ideal for someone starting with just $100. Action items. Sign up for a robo-advisor. Many robo-advisors have low or no minimum balance requirements and charge low fees. They offer diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Set up automatic contributions. Automate your contributions to your robo-advisor account to continue growing your wealth over time. Step 6. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become a popular way to invest in recent years. While it's a highly speculative and volatile asset class, investing small amounts like $100 can give you exposure to the potential upside of digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. Action items. Research. If you're new to cryptocurrency, do thorough research and understand the risks before investing. Choose a platform. Use reputable platforms like Coinbase or Binance to purchase cryptocurrency. Start with a small portion of your $100 to dip your toes into the market. Step 7. Develop a side hustle or invest in yourself. Sometimes, the best way to build wealth with limited funds is to invest in yourself or start a side hustle that can generate additional income. This could turn your $100 into a much larger sum over time. Action items. Start a side hustle. Use your $100 to start a side gig, such as offering a service, egg, dog walking, tutoring, freelance writing, or graphic design. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can help you get started. Invest in skills. Consider spending your $100 on an online course or certification that can increase your earning potential. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, or LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses that can help you learn new skills and boost your career. Step 8. Reinvest your earnings. As you start earning returns from your investments, reinvest those earnings to accelerate your wealth-building process. Reinvesting allows you to benefit from compounding, the ability to earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns that have accumulated. Action items. Reinvest dividends. Many ETFs and index funds pay dividends. Opt to reinvest those dividends to buy more shares automatically. Reinvest interest. If you're earning interest in a savings account or through a bond, make sure you reinvest that interest to maximize compounding growth. Step 9. Monitor and adjust your investments. As your wealth grows, it's important to review and adjust your investments regularly. You may need to rebalance your portfolio to ensure it stays aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Action items. Review quarterly. At least once every few months, take a look at how your investments are performing. Consider whether you want to change your investment strategy, increase contributions, or diversify further. Adjust based on goals. As you move closer to financial milestones, like building a bigger emergency fund or saving for retirement, adjust your investment approach to match your changing risk tolerance and goals. Step 10. Stay consistent and patient. Building wealth takes time, and starting with $100 is just the beginning. The key to long-term success is consistency. Keep contributing regularly to your savings and investment accounts, and be patient as your wealth grows. Action items. Commit to long-term investing. The earlier you start and the more consistent you are, the more your investments will grow over time. Avoid emotional decisions. Stick to your investment plan even when markets are volatile. Don't let short-term market movements deter you from long-term growth. In conclusion, starting small can lead to big results. Building wealth with just $100 may seem like a slow start, but the most important thing is that you're taking the first step. Whether it's paying down debt, starting an emergency fund, investing in the stock market, or growing your income through a side hustle, every small action brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, the key to building wealth is consistency, smart decisions, and patience. By starting with $100, you're already on the path to long-term financial success. Keep investing in yourself, stay disciplined, and let time and compound interest work in your favor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more finance tips. And if you have any questions about how to build your wealth starting with $100, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.